The brown scapular is a sign of Mary's love and protection. The wearing of the brown scapular is a very pious practice among us Catholics. Many saints have worn the brown scapular. Many were protected by the brown scapular. But the brown scapular, kinakgigunitan karon, is not a lucky charm. Dili na siya anting-anting. It is not an automatic guarantee of salvation. Maigsuon, ayaw in taon sa guli og patuo ang katolikong pagtuo kay ang patuo mura na og trak-trak dili tinuod. The brown scapular rather is a symbol, a sign of Mama Mary's motherly love and protection. At the same time, the brown scapular reminds us to live according to the will of God in the context of our life. As the Blessed Mother Mary said, "Let it be done to me according to your word." The brown scapular challenges us to live up to the demands of Christian life. Mutabang usab kanato ang mahal nga Birhen sa Monte Carmelo sa atong mga pagpaningkamot sa pagpuyo ug maayong kinabuhing Kristohanon. Kay kita, iya man nga mga anak, as Saint Therese of the Child Jesus beautifully puts it, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, she is more mother than queen. Sa ngalan sa Amahan ug sa Anak ug sa Espiritu Santo.